Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by mounting a compatible lens and making sure the lens aperture ring is set to a if it has one. Once done, turn the D5300 on and select a for aperture priority or M for full control. You will use the rear command dial to change the F number. In a mode, the camera keeps shutter speed while changing depth of field, and in M, you control both aperture and shutter, so set exposure accordingly. You now adjust aperture precisely. In aperture priority, rotate the rear command dial until the desired F appears and the camera compensates shutter speed. If you chose manual, set aperture with the rear dial and then use the front/main dial to set shutter speed so exposure balances. Make use of live view exposure preview or histogram to check how depth of field and exposure change. This helps you decide whether to stop down. You finish by recomposing and double-checking focus, because changing to a smaller aperture increases depth of field and can alter perceived sharpness. Make sure to use depth of field preview or magnify the image in live view to verify critical focus at the selected F. If the aperture doesn't change, inspect the lens contacts for dirt, confirm the aperture ring is set to A, ensure the lens is a CPU type or compatible, and try reseating the lens. These quick checks resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.